So apparently here another had another video. This one I was unable to put on my YouTube channel, so I just quickly cut the audio out and silly Christmas carol. So I'm going to retry it again with my voice narration over this, and yeah. So I'm sure you can be able to figure out what they're trying to mean here by the pictures. That's the transit info going here with the bus driver and other people are scribbling on the thing, etc. So just for transit info, but it looks kind of funny, and I had to share this anyway. So I'll retry this again.